There you go. All right, come back this way. Back up. Hey, cut your wheel.
That's why I would not.
That's fine. As you back up, cut it.
That's why I'm gonna get an automatic one.
There you go. Yeah, absolutely. All right, stop, stop. Straighten up. And come forward.
There's nothing like an automatic for forward drive.
Yeah, I agree completely. There you go. Whoa, all right. There you go. Turn that way. Turn back this way. Turn back this way. All right, straighten up. While you go now, yeah, go forward.
Look how much it's flexing right there.
Yeah. All right. Come on. You're fine.
Dude, y'all's faces are hilarious.
Stop. Now just give it some gas and bump it up.
Get out of the way, he might bump you up too.
Yeah. Go. There you go. All right, back up a little bit.